What are you doing? Is he playing in the pool? Yeah. Is he having fun? Brayden. Oh, where you going? Where you going? You gonna go hang out in your other palm tree? Oh, don't go off the edge. Oh, you broke the palm tree. I think if it gets too... if it also gets too full, I think it